What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda CX-9 remote key fob. This Mazda CX-9 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver and flip the key fob over so we're looking at the bottom of it, or the side of it, rather. And on the side of it, we see this line that runs across here. This is where the two halves of the case meet. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and starting from the bottom edge right here, I'm going to get my screwdriver in that crack like that, and then just slowly kind of run it up and carefully just pry a little bit, but mainly I'm just running this up the side. And then you can kind of come around like that. And once you have the case far enough open, go ahead and just pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. Then we see this little circular cover. I'm going to pull that off with my finger. And now we see our battery right here. And this battery is just kind of sitting in there. If you flip it over, you can dump the battery out. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then just let it fall down into place. Grab this circular cover, and if your circular cover has this little rubber piece that's moved around, go ahead and get that back down into place. Just slides down on that cover like that. And then we can snap that cover back on. And then we can snap the two halves of the case together. And if you notice on the top right here, there's that little tab. That's what I'm going to tuck in first. So tuck that tab in on the top like that. And then snap it together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it. Thank you.